The Balalo are packing their herds of cattle, leaving Acholi region. Right now, my question is the Acholi people benefiting or they are losing? Go to the comment section and tell me. Are they benefiting or they are losing? They are packing their herds of cattle, leaving. Some of them, they don't know where they are going. I cannot talk about the directive from the president, because what I think, that directive is coming out of the investigation that was carried. Now, are they losing or they are?
This is a question that demands immediate answer from we the Acholi. A concrete answer from we the Acholi. This is a Balalo asking us Acholi in this way. He is saying, I'm quoting what he said, the Balalo are living. That is what he said. Is the Acholi people benefiting or losing? That is his question. We as the Acholi, now that the Balalo are living, are packing their cattle, they are going, are we benefiting or we are losing? I want all of us collectively to come out with a concrete answer so that we give these Balalos. I have one, I analyze, and I have answers that I want to give. One, the reason why I said we are benefiting. Number one, our lands are left for rust. This is not your land, it is our land. When you are packing your cattle now, you are going, our land will be left for us. That is one benefit. Two, your cattle will no longer destroy our crops. Those days, when you're grazing your cattle, our maize, our beans, our peanuts, our gardens are being destroyed by your animals because you did not fence where you bought and every crop were destroyed. That is our benefit. Our crops will no longer be destroyed by your animals. Three, our wells, our streams, our water points and swamps will not be destroyed. We will not be having diseases associated with sharing water with the cattle. That you have not dug your ponds where your animals are supposed to drink water from. We will no longer get diseases associated with sharing water with the animals. That is three. Another one, our women, our girls will no longer engage with you people. Because one, you are not energetic. Two, you people lack what to do. The only thing you know is grazing. Our girls will not learn into a bad hands of people who will one time leave them. That is another benefit. Another one that we have is lifting us from the burden of thinking of our cattle that the Karamojo stole it from our land. You people, you are bringing your cattle, not knowing that we have the pain of losing our cattle to another tribe. You are bringing it, we are thinking, had it been this is our cattle, how would we do it? Those kind of thinking, we are going to be relieved from it. That is the benefit that we have. I want to come to the losing part, where we are losing, we as the Acholi. Coming from you people, but we are losing instead. One, you spoiled our land. You spoiled our land in the way that grazing causes soil erosion. Right now that you are living, we cannot immediately start farming in where you were grazing. So you left our land, but in a bad condition, as in soil erosion. That is where we are losing. Two, sexually transmitted diseases. We cannot confirm that all of you people are healthy. many are affected with different diseases, and you end up affecting our ladies, our girls, our women around here. That is where we are losing, because you infected our girls. Another thing, you are leaving behind bastard children, children who will not know their parents, children who will not know their fathers. You are leaving them behind here. As a result of sleeping with our young girls, they get pregnant, then you run away. That is where we are losing. Another thing that we are losing, there will be land dispute in our land. People who sold the land to you versus the people who don't want to sell the land to you those days. People will start quarreling, people will start uttering words. You will leave misunderstanding behind instead of peace. Warning to my fellow Acholi tribe. I'm called Gino the Champion, a born of Agago district. We are all affected with these so-called Balalo issues. The fake Balalo. I'm happy that the eviction came. This is my strong warning, and I want to give it in Luo. I've been talking in English because I want the whole Uganda to notice what we are going through. One, my strong warning, Lutua. Ngeromorika ini riema ki gangi ipoke kere yo maraj mi riema tiki kui chunye me chunye ni romo timo ngo mi achiel wang'eyo ni e Uganda kany gin madong wile loyo